have never flown internationally alone. Last week on Valhalla Adventures, I announced that I'd be leaving my tiny home on wheels and my husband, B.
Wow, I can't believe she's gone finally.
To walk 500 miles across the country of Spain on the Camino Francis. I bought a one-way ticket to Europe because I am walking the Camino Santiago. But to get there, I have to take my first international flight alone. So much anxiety right now. While flying itself doesn't scare me, I'm absolutely terrified of getting lost in an airport. Well, I'm officially freaking lost. In a different country where I don't speak the language. I'm landing in France. I don't speak any French. Nobody can tell me how to check in my bag because I'm in the wrong terminal. And that is exactly what happens this week on the vlog. Join me as my worst travel fears come true and I learn to overcome the challenge of flying by myself to a foreign country. I'm Crystal and this is Valhalla Adventures. So I'm super nervous. The flight itself I feel pretty chill about, but I'm landing in France. I don't speak any French and I haven't been practicing. If you've been watching this channel for a while, then you know we just got complete with our Mexico trip. So I know a little bit of Spanish and I can generally get around Spanish-speaking countries. But France, I have no idea. So I'm a little bit terrified that I'm gonna get lost in the airport, won't be able to get my bags, won't be able to make my connecting flight to my final destination. The anxiety is pretty high right now. I just hope I can read the signs and that my phone works and I'll be able to get a hold of people and I won't be late. My flight is already delayed. Finally about to board and I feel like I'm gonna vomit right now. There's so much anxiety right now. I don't know why, if it's like fear, lack of sleep, or I just have so much adrenaline. I don't know, but just I'm like, what am I doing? Totally got this. Just have to remember to breathe.
Next stop, baggage delivery exit.
You guys, I made it past immigration. I was having so much anxiety. Not like I have anything illegal on me, but that was the smoothest immigration I've ever done. Okay, now I just have to find my bag, which weighs like, is overweight. So let's just hope I can get it off the thing. Exciting news. Underneath all the French is English. Oh, such a relief. My anxiety's starting to kind of like calm down. I love having you all here with me. Like, it feels like support. We're doing this, you guys, gals, everybody. Now I have to figure out how to get to my next flight. Everybody I've met has been, I've asked questions to in this airport has been super nice. Still can't find my departure, but he said to just keep going straight, so I'm trusting I'll be able to find it. Well, I'm officially freaking lost. Nobody can tell me how to check in my bag because I'm in the wrong terminal. I've asked like 5 people. I'm sweating right now. I'm so happy my flight landed early enough. I gave myself 5 hours because of this, and nobody can tell me where to go. Okay, here we go. Let's keep going. having to gather myself right now. I almost lost it there for a hot minute. I almost completely lost it. Everybody kept telling me to go 100% different way. Everybody I asked. I'm really regretting packing so much right about now. I think I just packed way too much. I'll tell you, this is gonna feel really good when I get it done. And I feel like I manifested this because this was my worst fear about this trip. And now that I'm here, it's not that bad because I didn't do a half-hour connection. So about worst fear, not that bad, but I'm still not there yet. Still haven't found where I'm supposed to go. Okay, here we go. We got an upgrade. I now have a luggage cart. This sweet man from Air France was like, you look like you're a monkey. I don't know what that was supposed to mean, but I must look like I'm struggling pretty hard. Look at it. We made it, baby. Yeah. Now just to get these bags checked. They changed where the terminal is. Oh my God. Oh. Guess we're getting on a bus. So now I have to find a bus. And I finally made it to my terminal. Finally. Oh my gosh. Finally got in, got the baggage all done, and right next to the gate, this like super healthy place. I've never even seen something like this in the US. They have all these vegan, grain-free salads, which is amazing, but they also had a fresh smoothie. I just was able to pick it off the shelf and then they blended it. Look at that. So I got pineapple and mint. I feel so dehydrated after today. This was just so good. My back is pure sweat right now. Oh yeah. We're almost there. I am officially exhausted. I think my cortisol levels were just all over the place today and haven't slept. Tried to on the plane, just couldn't. So it's been a long, exhausting day, especially with, it ended up taking me 3.5 hours from the time that I landed in Paris to get to my correct terminal area. That's bananas.
Been 1 or 2 since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, I get so it's hard to take one on your iPhone's phone. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue.
I made it to Saint Jean. I'm probably not going to pronounce this correctly, so bear with me on this, but Saint Jean Pied de Port. This journey has been insane today. You came with me the whole entire time. I mean, you saw I didn't even want to go this morning. I had a lot of anxiety. I wanted to cry, I wanted to give up, and we finally made it. I thought this day would never come. Going to Europe has been a dream of mine, even before I was an adult, to come here. I don't have words right now, and I trust by the next time I make you all a video, I'll have the words to describe how I'm feeling right now, but I can say I'm definitely relieved and I'm proud of myself, and I didn't give up and I made it here by myself. I have such like relief, and I want to cry happy tears, but I'm like almost too excited and adrenaline fueled to even do that. So I'm gonna go eat some dinner, do my thing, and I'll catch you all in the next one. If you like this video, if you thought it was helpful, interesting, funny, give it a like. Please subscribe. Please join me as I walk the Camino, and I'll catch you all in a few days.